Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if three vertices of a regular hexagon are to be chosen at random, then the chance that they form an equilateral triangle is. So, first you have to make regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means a hexagon having all sides equal. Okay. Now, we have to make, you know that uh, like look at this, sum of angles, sum of angles, sum of angles is what? N minus 2 into 180. You know this thing. Okay. Now, as you know that it is a hexagon, so the number of sides are 6. So 6 minus 2 is 4 times 180 by 6. So it is each angle. Okay. So it is 3 0. So this is 120 degree, correct? Now you know that it is a hexagon. So look at this angle I'll talk about. So suppose that, look at this, I am connecting this with this. Okay, so this angle is 120. Now this angle and this angle will be same. Okay, so 30 each. So if this is 30, look at this angle will also be 30, है ना? So 30 this side, 30 this side. So 60 is gone, and you know it is 120. This means this angle is what? 60 degree, correct? So can I say that we got one of the triangle having 180 degree, correct? Means 60 degree each, equilateral triangle. So this is your one triangle. Now we have another triangle. Suppose I am conducting this, I am connecting this, and I am connecting this. So this is another triangle which will have equilateral property. Okay, and you cannot make any other triangle which will reflect the same property. So the total number of possible cases in which you can drop an equilateral triangle is 2. Now look at this. So required probability, you know that you have to make a triangle. So you have 6 points. Out of 6 points, you need 3 points. So the total number of ways of creating a triangle is 6C3. So this is your total number of ways. Now, you know that you can drop only 2 triangle, which is an equilateral triangle. So this is your required probability. You can go with simplification part. So it is 2 upon 6 factorial, 3 factorial, and 3 factorial. You can simplify things by writing this thing as 2 into 3 to 1. If you want, you can write, and then 3 6 factorial can be written as 6 5 sorry 6 5 4, and 3 factorial gone. So 6 into 3, 3 into 2 is 6, 6 6 gone, then this gone. So we are left with 1 by 10. Therefore the required probability is 1 by 10. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.